Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy AYD. Today we got hold on.
Featuring your boy Chaos Savage.
Yes,
in the building.
sir.
You already know what
My
it is.
boy, you know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna be reacting to when men roast female gym TikTokers, man. You know how these pretty girls be in the gym and you can't even look their way because you're gonna be
Can't even
caught
look
on.
at it.
Bro, it's crazy nowadays, man.
Crazy.
I can't lie. All right, we're gonna get straight into it, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. Let's get straight into it.
Oh, it's such a good day in the gym. Oh,
Okay.
wait, what is this? Oh, okay.
Interesting player build. I like
the
this.
roof.
It's like you can't help if you're in front of me and you pull up right in front. I'm looking. I don't care.
Nah,
You're in
I'm
my
not
view.
looking away. I'm
You're
looking
in my
straight at
view vicinity. I have the
looking
right
straight
to look. I don't want no female questioning where I'm looking at. Okay, I'm a man with a manly hormone.
Especially if you're coming in the gym wearing that. If you don't want us to look, you should have sweatpants on.
That's
a hoodie.
another thing. Like,
You know what I'm saying?
You don't want us to
if
look
it's hot, I guess you have a tank top, but the sweatpants should be covering the assets. You know what I'm saying?
everything. But hey, listen, females will say we don't want to be looked at. Yes, you do.
They come for attention, bro. They all come
They
to the
wanna-
gym for
you
attention.
come for
Let's keep it
attention.
1,000, bro.
Let's keep it all the way 100.
Really? Like a roof today. Oh, you know what? Let me check the weather on my phone. Ah, good
You trying to
weather.
pretend he don't see it? Don't do that to
What's the
yourself.
Bitcoin price
The
look like
laptop.
today?
He's sacrificing his own gains just to not get caught looking, bro. At this point, it's becoming an epidemic, man.
Right?
Like, this is a problem.
This is a serious problem, bro.
This is like every male bodybuilder.
Bruh.
I'm very uncomfortable right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yo, he got some solid legs though. I can't lie. Look at striations on the legs. He don't be missing leg day for real.
Nah, he
I
don't,
can respect
he
that.
don't. But I
don't
can't
like
lie.
how he showed his cheeks off though.
No,
That made
but
me
you
uncomfortable.
get it? He's trying to parody
I
what
get it.
girls be doing because she was trying to play on us guys. But hey, y'all girls be breaking y'all backs to show off the gains. Like,
They'll say we work in chest and tries and still turn around and show ass.
exactly, man. I hate when
Okay.
they try to get my number mid-workout. Oh.
Is he editing it?
I just
I
don't
was
see
looking
that.
at it like, it don't look natural. It don't look natural,
At
bro.
all. I like this.
It look
man.
like he edited himself in.
Oh,
bro.
he's trolling, bro. He's playing a parody on the whole
I like that, I
situation.
like that,
I like that.
And he's using a shake weight too at an all stuff activity. She just stared at him.
W editing.
Right.
Is she stuck in that situation?
Hold on, are you noticing the subtitles which says "excuse me" behind his ass? Go back. No, you didn't read, did you?
Wait.
No, listen. When she said "excuse me," look at the back of him. Look. You see it? You see it? You didn't read that, did you?
Oh, a sniper gang. Notice she's actually stuck, bro. But listen, in this current day and age, no man will help you because then we'll get accused of
Nah.
Oh, we
forbid
trying to
help
flirt.
you. Yeah.
God forbid we
He's
trying to
trying to
help
move on.
you.
He's trying to move on to me. Yeah, nah, you can't do that.
You get it? Hey, listen, W clip. Lady squeeze that kid banging weight.
He's not even banging it loud.
Can you guys stop banging that barbell? It's really annoying. And I'm going to teach a yoga class very shortly, and when people bang those barbells on the floor, it gets me really annoyed.
It gets me really annoyed.
So
Yo,
this that she's having a Karen for real.
It's like a Karen,
Straight
bro.
Karen, bro.
Straight Karen.
Oh my god.
I'm upset. I'm gonna be teaching my yoga class. Don't be banging.
And it really wasn't even loud. It was like a light tap on the ground, bro.
Literally, like, man.
Sorry's not good enough. Stop banging.
Sorry's not good enough. Me personally, I wouldn't let that slide. You can't be pressing me like that, bro. Ain't no fucking way.
This is how to not approach girls at the gym.
I hate this. I hate this. I hate when there's sweet days. It makes me so uncomfortable. Feral, like feral.
My man's just minding his business.
He really just mind his business, but she's trying to accuse him of looking. That's when it sparked that controversy. They were like, yo,
Oh my.
he wasn't even looking. He was just, you know what I mean? Scanning the supremacists, not even focused on her like that. And she's thinking, yo, he must be looking at me like a piece of meat. Look. Why is he walking over? And you can guess what he's probably going to do if he goes up there asking, yo, do you need help? Blah, blah, blah. That's it.
Excuse me? You don't have to do that. It's okay. No, it's okay. I
He was
got
trying to
it.
help
Thank
out.
you,
That's
though.
it. Just looking out. Help him make some extra gains. That's all he was trying to do. Brother was just trying to help him with some extra gains, bro. He wasn't looking for no Nash. He wasn't trying to hit. He was just like, yo, let me help you out.
Even if he was,
Right.
Even if he liked you and found you attractive, which he probably did,
Right.
Did he come off creepy in any creepy form? Did he do anything to really like offend you?
That's not what
apart
I'm saying.
from maybe a few glances, because listen, a few glances, what's that gonna do? He's not staring at you 24/7.
He's not locked, lasered in on her like, yo, look at that.
He went to help you with the weights too.
That's it.
Yo, you got life on easy recruit mode and you complaining? Oh my God. He's trying to help you get more gains?
And she's over here crying about, he's looking at me. I'm uncomfortable.
Trying to stay focused. He's in the mode,
Right? You didn't sweat.
bro. Sweating. Bro's in complete zen.
Locked in. He's like, he's like, I'm tunnel vision. I'm
Tunnel, I can't look left. I can't look right.
So clean in the air randomly.
Oh, whoa.
W script.
W Riz. Or, W Harisment.
Nah, I don't know, because check it out. Let's reverse the roles, right?
Oh, yeah. I always
If a
do
man pulled up to a chick sitting down with headphones and just grabbed her by the neck and gave her a kiss, he's finished. Let's keep it 1,000.
Done.
He's
Done.
finished, bro.
Done.
Why does every man think that like girls only go here to look at men? Like I could care less.
She got the sweatpants on, you see what I'm saying? She can wear some sweatpants, kind of cover it. Unless she has like a ridiculous bunda, then it's like, yo, you can't hide it.
She got some nyash.
Yeah, if she got super nyash, then you can't hide it.
She
But
got
like,
some super nyash.
just by looking at her front player build, I can tell the back ain't got a wagon on it.
So nobody
It's just a regular standard sedan.
Oh,
This
yeah.
ain't a hatchback.
It's not a SUV.
It's
none
not
of
an
that,
SUV.
like-
This ain't a 4x4. This ain't no hatchback. This is a standard.
No hatchback. No,
sedan.
there's no Sprinter.
This is a mom's car. You feel me? It's no Sprinter,
I
bro.
feel that.
Come on.
All right.
The whole
Come on.
With the suppression shorts. All right. I respect it.
Hey, you must have experience in the, showing the games, bro. Come on,
man.
My man's got
man.
it. Yeah, this is why I brought him in,
Yeah.
man. He's perfect.
I see the hamstrings. I can analyze.
I've been slacking on the gym.
You been slacking,
I've been slacking, but I'm gonna get back in.
We gotta get you back in there.
He's
for real.
inspiring me, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Watch this girl try to creep on me at the gym.
Can't even work out in peace anymore, dude. Feral. Public gym, dude. Very sorry in the mirror, looking my direction. Oh man.
So she started the whole thing. Like everyone started meeting me after this.
I
girl
love
did
the
this, bro.
parodies, man.
Yeah. Listen, the amount of parodies.
I didn't know that's where it came from. I didn't know that's where it came from. That's funny.
And men are bad because they look at women taking off their shirts. By the way, if you say the pornography is bad, you're also a prude.
Bunch of prudes.
So here she is taking off her shirt, and a guy looks at her. Oh no, in the mirror, there's a guy who's looking as a woman takes off her shirt. Unprecedented.
Sniper gang.
His radar was going off.
Right?
He was like, wait,
He's
hold
like,
on.
hold on. There's some cheeks in the air. Hold on.
Can't blame the man.
His spidey senses is tingling.
Tingling for real.
He said, wait a minute.
And he says,
Something
oh
ain't right.
damn, because a woman is taking off her shirt. And then she just stands there still taking off her shirt.
Do you need something? Do you need something?
Oh my God.
Okay, I thought so.
And she's gonna yell at him, do you need something? Okay, I thought so.
Yeah, no. Like, are you okay? Like, is everything good? Up
Yeah,
home?
because
Like,
he's acting hostile for no reason.
she's acting hostile. Yeah, no, he is. Yeah, bro, that's a man. You said he. I don't even blame you. That's a man.
I don't even believe you. That's a man.
That's a man.
I meant to say she's acting
I know,
hostile, but yeah.
but that's a man.
You know what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying.
A lot of masculine tendencies going on
Oh
here.
yeah.
Nobody is looking at you any type of way. I don't own the gym, I work here. Yes.
Why is she pressing up on him?
That means what?
I can go
It's like she wanted to argue, bro. You know, some females just love arguing, bro. She's definitely one of them. She's just arguing to argue. Because when he first asked her something, she could have been like, everything's cool, I'm fine, thanks, and went back about her business. But she want to hit him with, what are you looking at? Causing a problem and now escalating to a point where this dude's, having to question her because now he's like, yo, she's trying to press me. Like,
Now imagine
I gotta stand on business.
Imagine when they're old, used up, they gonna be carried.
Oh yeah, for sure. She's one of them. She's gonna be like, get off my porch. Mhm. He locked in, bro. You can't say he was looking. He put the beanie on. You can't say he was looking.
You can't even say you caught him.
You can't.
0.011 second, I don't believe that. You were fiending. If you caught for a split second, you were looking
You
for them
fishing
to
for
look.
reaction. Bro.
Yeah.
Fishing for reaction. Heavy.
POV, you're recording your workout, and a guy version of a Karen gets mad, and the camera is pointing at him. When I've been there recording before he got there. Oh, bro.
My guy gets no boxing, bro. There's no way he's doing this.
Why is he so concerned over her recording, bro? I don't understand.
Yo, some dudes, people out here be bored, bro. He's an FPC.
That's a female thing to do.
That's what I'm saying. He's just bored, bro. And he's just investigating.
Looking at, bro. What a
I mean, she's thick as hell. What she expect?
No, keep staring. This is why I hate men, bro. Oh my god, he's coming here. Look. Oh my god. What do you want?
He's gonna ask Pi to use one of the equipment, bro. Watch. I just know.
Like, what a... Get away from me.
No, I just need to ask if I can use the white belt.
Yeah, sure.
At least rate the player build.
Rate the player build, man. Hey, listen, I just say she's going to the gym. She's getting a better player build.
Yeah, she's
I
doing
respect
right.
it, man.
Respect
But listen, in your current player build, honey, I don't think anybody's looking at you that way. Like, respectfully. You know
Let me
what
put it like this. If she shaved a good 50 off the top, I'd give this a solid 8.
Only then. And then she can say, oh, they're looking at me, but
Yeah.
respect, nobody's looking at you.
As of right now, you're not getting looked at because you're not where you want to be yet. That's all we're saying.
Hit on girls? Is that all you do? Is that why you come to the gym? Grub. Hey guys, I didn't want to post this, but I have to show how uncomfortable it is for women to be at the gym because of men.
Okay, yo, I hope this was fake as hell because you could see the mic. So I
Yeah.
just hope this was a parody.
There's
bro.
gotta be W acting, bro. There's
Gotta
no
be
way.
W script. Like, what?
Guys, it happened again. As you can see in this video, here I am just seeing some hammer curls with excellent form. I made
Excellent
Did you
form.
see that? Here it is in case you missed it.
Good form.
Back there.
Once
Yeah,
again,
solid form.
because of the way I was dressed, I was creeped on at the gym. I mean, even in this photo, you can see she's
Oh,
still...
we got
He looking bigger
exposed.
than him. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, damn.
A little bit type shit.
Yeah, you like your females a little aki? Like,
Not like that. I ain't gonna lie. That's a little too much, bro.
that is a little too much.
I do like fit females, but like her traps are looking like massive, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, like, bro, you can't be bigger than me.
She like she might choke you during. I don't
Yeah,
know.
like you might
Or some hairy
manhandle
type.
me in bed. Like, nah, that's some masculine type energy.
Yeah.
You ain't rocking with that. You know what I'm saying?
But good on her though. She looked good regardless.
The woman
Just not our
behind me,
preference. That's
she's
all I'm saying.
Frozen. She's still looking at me. No, I come to the gym to work hard, to work on myself. But the fact that situations like this one right here keep happening to me and
Well,
my other
hey,
fellow
hey, I feel you, my brother. You a victim, man. It's okay, man. We're here. We're here for you, bro. We're here for you. That's how these females be acting about them. Yeah, honey, I feel for you. It happened to me last week. I can relate. I can relate. I saw a guy. He was looking at me, staring at me creepily.
Part of the Gucci don't go together.
So here I am squatting, minding my own business. And this lady asked for the squat rack. I told her 2 more sets. But she decided to stand
You
there
gonna
and
stand
just
there? That's
watch
so weird.
me.
I hate when people do that, bro. If you're mid-set, you tell them how many sets you got, they're like, all right, and then just lingering around, that's like one of my pet peeves, bro. Like, I need you to go on somewhere. Don't watch me.
Don't
like,
just stand it. Like, you could be getting
looking goofy. Go somewhere.
Go somewhere else. Do
You
another
something else until I'm done. Like, damn, you on my neck full.
It's that extra pressure. It's like,
Yeah.
why you standing behind me? All right, come on.
Like you grading my performance or something. Like, go on somewhere.
Like, go on.
For real. Like,
Joe goofy, yeah.
yeah.
Y'all women need to stop being so self-entitled. Nobody's looking at you like that.
Yeah.
Even if they are, we're not creeps. You weirdos.
Just mind your business.
Mind
Do
your
what you
business.
gotta do. You know what I'm
keep it
saying?
stepping. Keep it pushing.
And unless someone's physically touching you, don't even worry about it.
Don't even worry, bro.
Yeah.
Keep it like that, man. All right. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video, man. Peace.
Peace.